check the oil. And I need a gear shift knob. Gear shift knob.
Nathan, would you just give Eva back her pacifier and see if she'll go back to sleep?
Oldsmobile? Yeah. Yeah. We were right on it.
Couldn't get him to pull over.
We were right on it.
I had to bump that Hummer, man. I had to bump him hard so he just know I hit him. Oh yeah?
Yeah, he's
I had to go, bam! I'm like, and he's like, something hit me? He broke his front left axle, front driver's side axle. He ran through here the last lap. He was hitting the limiting strap. Broke your nose? How's Eva?
Hey, Adam, we got a copy on Jack?
Huh? I'm about done, but I'm in a groove, so I hate to get out now. I'm having all the corners pretty good now. I hate to get out. Good? Huh? That's the oil. Check this.
You keep flashing on.
It's over full, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. Good? Yep. Did we check the oil?
Yeah, we did. I got one.
Huh?
Yeah, you're over full. Yeah.
It's good. The damn oil light just keeps coming on. I sometimes stop.
You know he's going to be coming in there.
And I'm watching
He
the
is
pressure.
a mile under 19, so it shouldn't be too long. Yeah, he passed that 801 line truck.
Side job, Tommy.
When he did get over close, I guess he wants you to look at a tire or something, maybe.
All right, we're good.
You're good. Car coming.
Yeah, good. Come on, we keep going.